Good morning, friends. Today is January 13th, 2021. You're going to write the date and number corner at the top of the paper. Please press pause if you need more time to do that. Next to number 1, you are going to write the equation, number tree, story, picture, story with a picture, and answer. So let's look at the calendar. Today we are on January 13th. So our equation is box minus 4 equals 13. So next to number 1, please write that. Again, I'll show it to you one more time. Box minus 4 equals 13. Press pause if you need more time to write the equation. Alrighty, now you're going to make a number tree that matches that equation. And again, when we look at the number tree, the total or sum is up at the top, and these two numbers on the bottom add together to make the top number. So the largest or biggest or greatest number is always on the top. Now, this equation, it doesn't have a story with it, so you get to write the story that matches. Again, you get to choose the topic because there wasn't even a topic given to us. So write a story, and when you're done writing your story, draw the picture that matches the story. And again, the story and the picture will match the number tree as well as the equation. Then you're going to solve the equation, which you probably already did when you made your number tree and possibly your picture. And then write your answer. Make sure to include your label. So if your topic was dinosaurs, make sure your label says dinosaurs as well as the answer. Press pause if you need more time. Next to number 2, normally we would be working through our coin collections, but on Wednesdays we cannot add to our coin collection. So today you are just going to draw 2 different coin collections for 27 cents. Again, we've learned about the penny, which is 1 cent, the nickel is 5 cents, the dime is 10 cents, and the quarter is 25 cents. So again, draw your 2 coin collections and include an equation to help show that connection. Press pause if you need more time for number 2. All right, for number 3, we have now been in school for one more day. So we have been in school for 64 days. So you're going to write an addition equation that equals 64, a subtraction equation that equals 64, tally marks to show 64, coins that have a value of 64 cents, and the 10, 6, and 1 blocks to show 64. Press pause if you need more time. For number 4, you are going to write 8 addition equations that equal 8. So different ways to make 8 when we're talking about addition equations, and you're going to write 8 addition equations that equal 8. Don't forget that you can always flip the 2 numbers around. Press pause if you need more time for number 4. And our last number, number 5, is counting backwards. And today you are counting backwards starting at 36, and you are counting backwards to 0. Press pause if you need more time. Good job today, friends. Again, keep working hard. You've got this. We believe in you.